Hello, maayong hapon. Welcome. This is Joan of Art, and we are here at my little indoor garden. I would like to talk to you more about the word mga. Why is mga very important that it deserves its very own video? Well, because mga makes plural whatever singular subject or noun in the Ilonggo dialect. Mga is the equivalent for S. So for the plural form of any common noun, you just add S. In Ilonggo, you just place mga before the noun. So the effect is just the same. You add S or you put mga before the word. Mga is spelled MGA. It is the only word wherein M and G appears together. So MGA, but it is read as mga. So let us try to use the word mga with common body parts that you can see here in our video. We have eyes, that's mga mata. If you talk about one eye only, mata. Ilong is singular. If there are two noses, you say mga ilong. Ba-ba. Ba-ba is singular for mouth. But if there are two or more mouths, you say mga ba-ba. Teeth. Mga unto. One tooth is just unto. Ear is dulunggan, from the root word dungog, or to listen. So the body part you use for listening is dulunggan. If you talk about two ears, it's mga dulunggan. Eyebrow is kilay. So if you talk about two eyebrows, it's mga kilay. Neck is liog. Two or more necks, it's mga liog. Shoulders is abaga. Mga abaga for the set of shoulder for one person. Kamot. Kamot, if one hand, mga kamot if you deal with two hands, but I can't put out my other hand because it's holding the camera. Two hands, mga kamot. Fingers, mga tudlo. One finger, tudlo. So that's all for today. Singular and plural form. For other words that you might want to know, just type in the comments box. Do like and subscribe for more words. This is Joan of Art. Maayong hapon. Life and love for everyone.